I've been pushing away.
A friend of mine recently got into cycling and he asked me if I'd show him one of my usual routes in the mountains that can be done on a day trip from Tokyo. Bit of rafting going on down there, looks pretty fun. Shing's first time out here, so he thinks he might take the kids with him next time he's here. Hey Shing, how are you enjoying yourself?
Okay.
Good?
Pretty good so far.
Okay.
On the way.
Well, we're
on the way back.
only 5k in, so all good.
Won't you save?
Bit of snake action going on here. Wasn't sure if it was poisonous or not. I don't think this one is. I think this is, yeah, no idea, really.
Nobody left. I need someone to talk.
Next to the Tamagata, there's some people canoeing, which was really cool. You can rent the canoes or the kayaks or the dinghies from some of the shops on the route.
And the people I've heard wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save me? Won't you save me? Won't you save me? Oh, save me.
It was at this stage Shing was thinking, I wish I'd left my backpack at home.
Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far too long now. Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking.
We came across a whole group of monkeys. There's loads of them, must have been about 50 of them in total. They were all over the place. A lot of them were hiding under the bridge as well.
Time, I have to stay strong.
It's pretty cute. I reckon I could have fit that in the back of the car.
Yeah.
And this is a little foot onsen where you can come and warm your feet up after walking in the mountains. And this is the descent back to the transportation home. Hopefully Shing enjoyed himself.
Save